The easiest way to do this question would be to use the strategy of subbing in. It's difficult to simplify the fraction as given, but if we were dealing just with numbers instead of variables, we'd have a very easy fraction to work with. Here's how we would sub in on this question. First, we would pick a simple number for the variable in the question. So pick a simple number. M can't equal 5, they tell us. So what we can do is we can make it 1. 1 is a very straightforward and easy number to work with. Then we would replace all the m's in the question with 1s. So you would replace, in general, you would replace the variable with a number. In this case, replace m with 1. And we would get the following. We would get 4 times 1 squared times 5 minus 1 plus 1 minus 5, all of that divided by 1 minus 5. We now have a much simpler question to do. Once we follow our order of operations, we get that the numerator of this fraction is 12 and the denominator is negative 4. So the answer is negative 3. This is the answer to the question. We now have to look for this answer in the answer choices by substituting 1 in for m again, this time in the answer choices, and seeing which answer choices give us negative 3, which was the answer that we found. So let me get some more space here. If you take a look at answer choice A, we get 1 minus 4 times 1 squared, which is equal to 1 minus 4, or negative 3. This is the answer we were looking for. However, when you're subbing in, you have to try all the answer choices. You have to go through all of them. Because if you get 2 answer choices that both give you the answer, you have to pick another number and go through the process again. Just with the answer choices that have the repeat. Answer choice B here gives us 4 times 1 squared times 5 minus 1, which is 4 times 4, or 16. That's not the answer that we were looking for. We're looking for negative 3. Answer choice C gives us 4 times 1 squared plus 1, which is 4 plus 1, or 5. Once again, not what we were looking for. D gives us 4 times 1 squared, which is just 4 times 1 squared, which is just 4. Again, not what we were looking for. And E gives us 4 times 1 squared minus 5, which is equal to 4 minus 5, or negative 1. And that also is not what we're looking for. Once you've eliminated all of the answer choices except for the one that gave you the correct answer, you can be confident that you have the correct answer. In general, you should substitute in when the questions seem difficult and you're not sure what to do, or when you see that the answer choices have variables in them. That's usually a tip-off that subbing in would help. As you see here, all of the answer choices have variables in them. They all have m.